Please understand, going from human to divine superhuman is no longer a necessity or a luxury. It is the intelligent way forward. It is a smart way forward. You want to enjoy life, live like a spiritual giant, live like a god on planet Earth. The next inner awakening is happening on September 18th until October 12th, and please understand, it is going to be the most spectacular inner awakening because it's during Adi Shakti Navaratri, which means you will simply experience Swamiji. You've seen him as Sadashiva. It is time for you to experience him in all his glory as the Adi Shakti, Mother of the Cosmos. 9 days and nights. There are rare treats planned. Rare treats. You can expect extraordinary Devi Bhava Darshans. See, many people tell us, you say all of the inner awakenings are spectacular. Please understand, inner awakening is just a guise, an excuse for you to come and be with the cosmos itself. We just have to call it a program, for lack of better word. It is called Living with God for 23 days. Everyone tries their best to perceive Sadashiva, divinity, but you are the rare people who had, I don't know what great merits you did in your past lives, but you had the incredible fortune to come here, spend time with him, live around him, laugh with him, talk to him, enjoy hugs from him. And for those of you Swamiji would always tell me, Sadashiva gives ma, but it is Adi Shakti who just explodes. And this he used to tell, even during this he used to say, even during all those years back in 2010, 2011, when I was training in Extraordinary Powers, he'll always say, Sadashiva is little slow to give. With that itself, all of us are experiencing all these Shaktis. And he used to very lovingly say, it is Adi Shakti, delivers immediately. You want to see the cosmic mother in action in all her glory during the most auspicious time in the universe. Be there for September Inner Awakening. Also, along with that, I wanted to say, Mahasadashivoham, the grand culmination of all inner awakenings, the time when the entire Sangha gathers, all the inner awakening graduates from around the world and many beings from across the universe, across the cosmos, gather in celebration of what's next. We always say Swamiji takes you from human to superhuman and beyond. Experience the beyond aspect at Mahasadashivam only on December 16th until January 9th. You will have a beautiful initiation into Mahasadashivoham, understanding what the whole program is about on August 26th and 27th from 7 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. IST. Lot of goodies and spiritual treats in store for you. Lot of powers. Swamiji says, if you are impressed by all of this, forget about it. It is just, he has not even opened his suitcase. For whatever mission he landed, he's just beginning to open his suitcase and unleash all the powers and goodies and treats that he has for humanity. Let's enjoy and partake of the big shift humanity is having in superconsciousness. With that, let's come together. Yes.
नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वर्यादिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today, we have the Pranapratishta of Mahaganapati, and the Brahmotsavam of Ganesh Chaturthi starts from today officially. With this Pranapratishta and beginning of the Brahmotsavam, Ganesha happens here, breaks all the obstacles, removes all the obstacles for the greatest auspiciousness going to happen in this year here for Mahasadashivoham. So today evening 4:30 to 6 Pranapratishta. It will be live on Nityananda TV. You can watch. And from today, with this Pranapratishta and worship of Mahaganapati, we begin all the preparations for Mahasadashivoham 2870. Temple team begins their preparations. Sachalamurti team begins their preparations, and programs team begins their preparations. Annalaya team begins their preparations, and Gurukul begins their preparation. Construction team begins their preparation, yoga team begins their preparation, yogic sciences team begins their preparations. Casting team begins their preparation. All of you start your preparations to be here. Vision team has to prepare their preparation. I don't even remember a team means. It is like Maya, which is there but not there. All right, so let's all begin. Worshipping Ganapati, the preparations for Mahasadashivoham. So essence of today's satsang, Mahasadashivoham chalo. So, today's hashtag is Mahasadashivoham Chalo, and whoever has intention and plan, wants, wish, desire, fantasy to be in Mahasadashivoham here, put this as a status, I'll make it into reality. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaida Saivam, Sadashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.
மலிவளம் சுரக்க மன்னன் கோன்முறை அரசு செய்ய குறையிலாது உயிர்கள் வாழ்க நான் மறை அறங்கள் ஓங்க நற்றவம் வேள்வி மல்க மேன்மை கொள் சைவ நீதி விளங்குக உலகமெல்லாம் மேன்மை கொள் சைவ நீதி விளங்குக உலகமெல்லாம் மேன்மை கொள் சைவ நீதி விளங்குக